changed. So now let's move on to the next bot. Let me create a new bot which is going to be called as bot 2. Now we are going to create a bot which will show the total amount of calories for the foods we select. So for this we will use a website, food calculator. First we will mention the website we are going to use. So we will use application or browser activity, and we will indicate the website first. You can see after indicating the website, the browser URL has been generated. So now we have to search each and every food in the search box of the website. So for this we will give click option. No, we will use type into, because we are going to type into the search box. So we will first indicate the search box and confirm the anchor. Let me type the first food as McDonald's. Now on going to the browser, let me type McDonald's to see what happens. Here now we have to click the search logo, so we have to indicate that also in the program. So we will use click activity over here, and we will indicate the logo and confirm it. After clicking the logo, you can see there are multiple options being generated. We will now select a random food. For that we will use the click option. We will indicate, let me indicate cheeseburger and confirm it. After clicking cheeseburger, you can see it's asking the total amount of the food that we have selected. So we will now use type into and indicate the search box, confirm it. Let me give 1 as the amount. We have to now click calculate, so we again have to use the calculate. We again have to use the click activity, so we will drag and drop it over here. We will mention calculate, confirm it, and after clicking calculate, we have to add it to our total. So we also have to mention that. So the first item has been added to the total that we are going to calculate. So let's also add another food item. For that we are going again, we again have to mention the search box. So we'll use again type into function, indicate search box, confirm it. Now let's type Starbucks. as our second item. We have to mention this logo search. So for that we will use click activity, indicate logo, confirm it. Multiple, oh wait, let me search Starbucks. You can see multiple Starbucks food has been generated. We will now randomly select any food. Let me indicate bread pumpkin Starbucks and confirm it. On selecting bread pumpkin Starbucks, it's asking the amount which we have to enter. We'll use type into and indicate the search box, confirm it. Now that we give 2 as the total amount. Now we have to click, so for that we will use click activity. We will indicate the click box, confirm it. We have to add it to our totals. For that again we will use click activity. And you can see now we've added 2 items to our total. So in order to view that, we have to mention view in our program. We will indicate view my total, confirm it. You can now see we first added cheeseburger and next bread pumpkin. Everything has been now calculated. Now we have to display to the user the total calories. For that we will retrieve the data. Here the total calorie is 1080. We have to retrieve that data. So for that we will use an activity called get text. We will mention it. We will mention my total as the anchor, confirm it. For later use we will save the data as the calorie. Now we have to display to the user the total amount of calorie in a message box. For that we will use a function or activity called message box, and we will give calorie as a message to be displayed. Now we've completed the program, so let me now run it. You can see everything is done by itself. And thus the final output is being shown. Your total calorie is 1080. So these are the two types of robot that can be used and created using the UiPath Studio X. Thank you.